Cycle. It's a medium of joy, happiness, peace, nature, friendship, and many more. But in India, cycle is usually looked down upon as a poor man's thing. Only financially weak people use it to commute and do their business on it. But we completely overlook the engineering masterpiece that actually empowers them. Seriously, dude, what a machine! A machine that runs on calories, has zero carbon footprint, and a great medium to explore the world around you with fitness. When people ask why not a motorbike or a car, as a fitness enthusiast, my reply to them is that human body is not made to sit back and eat snacks. Because of this kind of narrow mindset, cycling was not very popular in India, except some places like Delhi, Shiliguri, etc. But this pandemic and lockdown changed it all. As gyms are closed and cycling is the only option to get some exercise done in seclusion, people bought cycle like crazy. In the world famous sport goods center, Decathlon, there is not a single bike for adults. And this is not the case with only this Salt Lake Decathlon, but most of the bikes are unavailable in Pan India. Not only bikes, but most of the cycling related products like helmet, light, jerseys are counted as endangered species right now. Just like this, other local bike shops, online stores are so empty right now that you can bury a dead body there and nobody will notice. It is hardly possible that you make up your mind for a cycle and you get that. In Kolkata, the cycling situation was very poor previously, mainly because of the poor road conditions, traffic, and most of the roads were prohibited for cycling. Only in Kolkata you could be assaulted by the police for mere cycling. Can you believe that? But now the situation has changed. Government removed the restriction on roads, not all obviously, and they are planning to make some separate cycling lanes in some places where there was very few cycling clubs previously like CNG, Ergo, K2K, and everyone is connected to one parent group called KCS, Kolkata Cycle Samaj. But now the situation has changed. There are local groups everywhere. Government has removed the restriction in most of the roads and people started acknowledging cycling scenes. I personally think that this is the high time for the government to plan and act on it, to support the cycling culture as all the progressive countries do. We have to tame the use of non-renewable natural resources as they are the main source of air pollution and cycle can be the only solution. Thank you.